Awaiting the thaw. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, awaiting the thaw. This phrase is not just about weather, but it's a beautiful example of how English uses imagery to convey deeper meanings. Let's unravel this together and see how it can enrich your understanding of the English language. To understand the idiomatic expression, we first need to grasp its literal meaning. Awaiting means waiting for something, and the thaw refers to the period when ice and snow melt after a long winter. Imagine a landscape covered in snow, gradually transforming as the temperature rises. This melting process signifies change, transition, and the arrival of something new, typically spring. Now, let's look at how awaiting the thaw is used idiomatically. In English, this phrase often symbolizes a period of waiting for a change or improvement in a situation. It's used metaphorically to describe scenarios where someone is anticipating a positive change or an end to a difficult period, much like waiting for the harshness of winter to pass and the warmth of spring to arrive. To solidify your understanding, let's see some examples. 1. After a long period of economic downturn, the country is finally awaiting the thaw. 2. She's been having a tough time lately, but she's awaiting the thaw when things will get better. These examples show how the phrase is used to express hope and expectation for improvement. Understanding idioms like awaiting the thaw is crucial in English because they enrich communication. They add color and depth to our conversations and help in expressing complex ideas succinctly. Idioms are also a window into the culture and history of the language, making your learning journey more interesting and insightful. Thank you for joining me in exploring awaiting the thaw. I hope this video has illuminated how idiomatic expressions are a vital and colorful part of the English language. Remember, learning idioms can be as exciting as watching the snow melt and flowers bloom. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.